This equation has four solutions on 0 to 2 pi. The first step is to add 1 both sides of the equation, and then we are going to divide by 2 so that we get sin theta is equal to 1 over 2. We are looking for sin theta here, so let us go ahead and take the square root. When we take the square root, we get plus or minus the square root of 2. Meaning that this whole equation reduces to solving the equation sin theta equal to 1 over the square root of 2. That is the positive part, and sin theta equal to negative 1 over the square root of 2. Now we're going to make use of the unit circle. So on the unit circle, you know that sin theta is equal to 1 over root 2 if theta is pi over 4, that is 45. So 45 or pi over 4 is our reference angle, and the sign is positive in the second quadrant. So to find that angle, we just subtract pi over 4 from pi, which is 3 pi over 4. Okay, now for sin theta equal to negative root 2, which is a negative angle, so in the third quadrant and fourth quadrant, sign is negative. So the reference angle again is pi over 4. So in the third quadrant, we just added pi over 4, which is 5 pi over 4. And in the fourth quadrant, we just subtract from 2 pi so that we get 7 pi over 4. So which tells us to say theta for this expression should be pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, then 5 pi over 4, and 7 pi over 4. So you can see that this is a very simple problem. The only thing that you need to do is to solve for sin theta and track all the solutions between 0 and 2 pi.